Looking for a highly equipped SUV with all the right options and reliability? We'll take a look at this 2024 Jeep Grand Wagoneer Series 3 in Diamond Black Crystal Pearl. With heads-up display, quadra-lift air suspension, 22-inch aluminum wheels, blind spot and cross-path detection, heated and ventilated front seating, heated steering wheel, 28,000 miles on the odometer, 12-inch touchscreen, navigation, select terrain system, second row heated seats, tri-pane panoramic sunroof, 10.1-inch rear entertainment screens, power liftgate, 3.0-liter turbocharged 6-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D8017.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.